The first step is to sign up for IONOS hosting. This is a great option because plans start at just $1 per month, and they even include a free domain for the first year. To get the best available deal for IONOS, go to this link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link you find there. That's our special partner link, and it'll make sure you're getting the best available deal when you sign up. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page here. The first thing we'll do is scroll down and look at the hosting plans. Then you'll see that there are 3 options down here. The first option we'll look at is the Start plan. This is best if you just want something small like a personal website or a blog and you don't need a lot of storage or extra features. Next is the Grow plan, which is what I recommend for most people. It'll give you more flexibility and tools to run a business website or something that you plan to grow over time. And right now, IONOS is offering it for only $1 per month for the first year, which makes it a really good deal. And finally, you have the Boost plan. This is designed for larger projects that need extra performance. So if you're planning to host a really big website with lots of traffic, this is the plan to go for. But for most people, the Grow plan is the perfect option. So let's scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Get Started to begin. And on this page, you're able to add a domain and get it free for a year. Go ahead and click in here to type in your domain name. I'll go with IONOS WordPress tutorial.com, and then I'll click on search. And as you can see, it's available and free for the first year. I want this domain, so I'm going to click on add to cart. Then I can scroll down and see that domain guard has been added. This will only be $1 for the year, and I do recommend keeping this turned on to protect your personal information and prevent your website or email from being spammed. If you would like to turn this off though, you can do that by clicking on this toggle here. With that done, let's go to the bottom right and click on Continue. Next, you'll see some optional add-ons, like having a business email. You also have a malware scanner and cloud storage. You can add any of these to your cart if you'd like to. For now, I'll just go to the bottom right and click on Continue. And on this page here, we're able to see everything that we've added to our cart. We have our hosting plan here, along with our plan length. In this case, it's going to be for 12 months. Then we have our domain here, which is completely free. And we can also toggle on free private registration. I'll go ahead and turn this on here. And then we have Domain Guard. Go ahead and review your cart, and when you're ready, click on Continue. On this page here, you'll need to enter your billing information. I've gone ahead and entered in my personal billing information, so I'll go and click on Continue. You can review everything one more time here, then click on Continue to Payment Options. Next, you'll need to select your payment method. Here you have an option to choose a credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. I'll go ahead and enter my credit card information now. I've entered in my information here, so I'll scroll down and click on Buy Now. And there we go. We have now purchased hosting through IONOS, and we have claimed our free domain. Keep an eye on your email inbox. You're going to be receiving an email from IONOS that contains all of your information relating to your order and login data. Also on the screen, you'll see that your control panel is going to be set up. And once that's done, go down and click on Get Started. Now, before we start the WordPress installation, we'll need to give our project a name. This will be used as your website title and as an internal project name. And don't worry, you can always change this later. For my project name, I'll enter IONOS WordPress tutorial. Then I'll click on Start WordPress Installation. This will take a few moments to complete, so I'll wait here and fast forward when this is done, and I'll meet you at the next step. Great, everything has finished installing and it's ready to go. Right now, the website is accessible under a temporary domain, which you can see here. For now, let's click on Launch WordPress. Next, you'll be asked how you want to create your new website. IONOS gives you the option to build your website with AI. But for this tutorial, I'll choose the do-it-yourself method. So that way I can walk you through exactly how everything works. So I'll click on Do It Yourself. And here you'll be brought to your IONOS WordPress dashboard. Let's start by clicking on Close. And within your Overview tab here, you'll have some really helpful next steps for creating your website. And right here is where you're able to connect the free domain you claimed earlier. Just click on Connect Domain and follow the steps. And if you do decide later on that you would like to build your website with AI, you have access to the AI website builder here in the top right as well. You can also manage your hosting plan and view your website. To access our main WordPress dashboard, let's go back to the left-hand side here and click on Dashboard. Let's go ahead and close out of this banner here at the top. Then click into Screen Options. And let's uncheck everything here to clear everything out and make it nice and clutter-free. And you can always add back in any of these screen elements later on if you want to.